What's up, guys? I'm back once again for the final time today. What's up? It's Pandora the Cryptobabe. How's everybody doing today on this Money Monday? All right, guys, I hope you're having a great evening. I'm back, guys. If you're here for the very first time, please smash that subscribe button for me and click that notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. All right, guys, had to come back because I've had some conversations with some people. We had to come out and talk about Red Valley. They pulled the rug. And some people seem a little discouraged. I want to say, just don't be discouraged, be encouraged, especially if this is the space that you want to be in, if this is the lane you want to be in, okay? But this comes with the territory. You know, we have wins, we have losses. The most important thing for me, as long as my wins are greater than my losses, I mean, it's just the game we're in. All right, so I had to come back and just give some encouragement. So if you're interested in any of the crypto platforms that I'm involved in, earning with ease, passive income, no recruiting required, make money in your sleep, go to www.coffeeandcoins.info. Check out my projects. But what I wanted to do is just do a quick rundown on the projects that I have remaining that I'm involved in, and to show that this space does work. I mean, you guys have seen me show my dashboard, okay? So we know that. But just to show you just today, I'm going to show proof of results from today, okay? So the passive profit crypto platforms, you know, there's some that's great, there's some that's not. We just have to roll the dice and do our best to vet these programs. That's why it's your job to vet them as best you can, okay? Not based on my judgment, because I am going to do what works for me, okay? And I would have done my research, and that's why I made my investment. So I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just sharing with you guys what I'm doing. So make sure you only invest risk capital. All right, so I want to run down my projects real quick and then show you proof today of profits made just in one day. So again, don't be discouraged, be encouraged. If this is something you want to do, this is not for everybody, okay? This is one of those things where it's not for everybody, okay? It's not for the faint of heart. So let's take a look at my crypto projects. Let's check it out. Okay, guys, when you go to www.coffeeandcoins.info, you're going to see this page, okay? This is not an opt-in page, so you don't have to put in your name, email, any of that, all right? This is my page of income with our hands-free system, earn with ease, no recruiting. So you click show me how, right? And it's going to take you here, okay? And when you get here, you're going to see my list of projects, okay? So don't worry about this part. You don't have to opt in and give me your name and email, all right? But go here. This is how it's going to look. Click show me how. You go here, and here are my projects, all right? So we've got, of course, Novatech here. We got Vortic United, Alfred Arbitrage System, which will be back on board around May 15th. The ETA, it may be a little different, but that's what I'm hearing. Great platform. Lusate, I recently got involved in. And then funds, okay? So those are the programs. Passive profits, all right, where you earn crypto investing your capital, all right? And again, risk capital is what you need to put in here. Money that if you lose it, you're not going to worry about it. You're not going to lose sleep and wonder if the site is up or not, okay? So that's where you need to be. So great projects that I have here. Go check them out. Also, if you're interested in a crypto debit card, we have the Club Swan debit card. If you're outside the country, because Infinity Club Cards is not in the U.S. yet, I recommend Infinity Club Cards, okay? That's the one that we're going to get started in, but they're not in the US yet. Okay, that would be my #1 choice. And then if you're in the US, go with Club Swan debit card. Go check it out. All right, guys. So let's show some results for today. All right, let's end this day on a great note where we did earn some profits. Okay, so let's take a look. Hang on. Okay, first of all, let's take a look right here. It says May 1st, 2023, right? Calculator, which I've already calculated it for you. $76 came in. This was in Tether, USDT, TRC Tether, 76, 60, 325, and 233.80. If you add those up, it's 373.05, guys. So that's not a bad day, right, to earn passively without me doing anything. This hit my crypto wallet. Okay, let's look at it. I'll do it again for you. 76 plus 63.25 plus 233.80. 373.05. Okay, May 1st, 2023. Okay, so what's possible? What is possible in this space? All right, and again, this is to encourage the people that want to remain here. Again, it's not for me to persuade you guys any of that, because that's not what I'm here to do. I'm just here to show you that the space does work, but we have our highs and our lows. Okay, it just happens that way, but not a bad day. Okay, all right, just for me parking my funds, okay, in a platform and earning. All right, guys, so just want to encourage you guys, for the people that want to stick around for this, okay, it does work. All right, so let's shout out to the new month of May, and this is Money Monday. All right, guys, so thank you so much for checking out the video. Like the video, please, and thank you. Go to www.coffeeandcoins.info if you want to check out these platforms and see what they're all about. All right, like the video, please, and thank you. Thank you for checking out the video. Be safe out there. See you guys on the next video. Have a blessed day.